Let's witness another beautiful fundamental principle of nature. Welcome to its science. Why the light pattern changes its shape in so bizarre way? First it shrinks and then it's stretched. Why? I used a ruby laser and an adjustable optical slate to control the amount of light on the screen. This slit can be made wider open or we can make it narrower by adjusting the screw in it. When I started with a wider opening of the slit, the light comes with higher intensity because now I am allowing more photons to reach the screen. But when I make the slit width narrower, the light impression starts shrinking, which is absolutely fine with my experience because now I am allowing lesser number of photons to reach the screen. But when I make the slit width even narrower, why it is getting stretched? This is because of uncertainty principle. Uncertainty principle is already in nature, everywhere. But it was put in the form what we understand for the first time by a German physicist, theoretical physicist Werner Heisenberg. He got Nobel Prize for that in 1932 for the beginning of quantum mechanics. The uncertainty principle says that I cannot measure position and momentum along the same direction. I should have written this as px. It says the minimum value of the product of uncertainties in the measurement of position and momentum is h by 4 pi, where h is Planck's constant and which is a very small number. Let me clarify this. If I want to measure the position of a particle along x-axis, its x-coordinate and momentum along this x-coordinate cannot be measured simultaneously. But I can measure x and momentum along py simultaneously. I can measure y and px simultaneously, but not y and py simultaneously. This can be visualized in this way. Suppose this is a string and a wave is passing through the string, and if I have a single spike of the wave, then I can measure the particular position of the wave. For the time being, this spike is here, so I can measure the position of this spike. When the spike shifts to a different position, I can measure this x coordinate also. But what if we have lots of spikes? The wave is like that now. Here I cannot tell where the spike is actually situating. Instead of that, now I can find out the wavelength, because if I measure the distance between these 2 points or these 2 points, this will give me the wavelength, so as the momentum, because de Broglie relation says wavelength lambda is equal to Planck constant by momentum. So if I can measure the wavelength, I can easily find out the momentum. But here I cannot find out the position. But when we are narrowing the slit width, the position of the x position rather of the photons are more precise now. We can calculate the x coordinate of them, their position, more precisely. So delta x, that is uncertainty in the position, decreases, but they have to obey the uncertainty relation of Heisenberg. So uncertainty in the measurement of x component of momentum increases now, and because of this they are now moving in this fashion. Their velocity is more uncertain now, their momentum is more uncertain now, and we are getting a spot which is stretched along the x-axis. Please let me know in the comment section, how do you like this video and what are your suggestions? for derivation of general uncertainty relation using Dirac notations in quantum mechanics. You can watch the video. The link is in the description box, which is from my another channel. Thanks for your time.